How to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. First of all, open your Cash App on your device and then you need to tap on the Cash Card tab at the bottom left of your screen. The next step is you need to select your cash card. If you don't have one, make sure to apply for it. You don't need a physical card. You must need to have a virtual debit or credit card and then tap on the add to Apple Pay option and then follow the on-screen instruction to connect your cash card to Apple Pay. You need to confirm the addition of your cash card to Apple Pay. Open up your Apple Wallet on your device. Check if your cash card has been added to Apple Wallet, and then you can use your cash card through Apple Pay for transactions. Now, in order to add your money, you just need to tap on the add money icon and select your particular cash card. From there, you just need to enter the amount and you are good to go. So that was the process of how you can transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay.